guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. So today we are going to unbox a few packages that I bought a few days ago. Also, I have shopped quite a few items including beauty and home in the past week, and these are all the packages that I have received eventually. Like सब एक ही दिन पे नहीं आया है. I saved all these packages just to come here and film this video. Now I really love watching unboxing videos and just to see what people shop, and I thought maybe this could be something that might interest you as well. So if you like watching such unboxing videos, please let me know in the comments and I can save all the boxes that I shop. Also, I receive a lot of PR. I haven't really filmed any unboxing video. Also, there's no PR included in today's video. Please let me know if you like watching PR unboxings and I can do that for you as well. Also, if you're not a follower on Instagram, why not? I post a lot of stories about all the PR packages and all the shopping that I do in my stories. So do give me a follow there as well. Now, without wasting much time, let's dive into today's video. I am extremely sorry if the light is a bit bright or dull because it's raining outside and I'm just not able to fix this light problem. Now, starting with the first package, what should I choose? In case you're wondering why am I looking this side, it's because I have all the packages lying here. I will give you a glimpse of it. So the very first package that I see here is from Bath and Body Works. So Bath and Body Works had this huge sale on their website. If you have watched my previous video, you probably already know that I had a very bad experience shopping on their website. So it was all about refunds. Like I placed an order and then the money got deducted. Then I had to ask for a refund and it was a very long process, but I have finally gotten my refund. Now this is like these are some of the products that I bought. Now I have already opened some of the packages because I wanted to see if they are in good condition, because if they are damaged I will have to return them. So I will be naming and linking all the products in my description in case you want to check them out as well. So the very first product is the Warm Vanilla Sugar Fragrance Mist. Now I really had high hopes from this one. I thought this would be like very sweet fragrance because it says warm vanilla and sugar, but this isn't like a very sugary sweet fragrance, but it smells good. So this is the travel sized bottle. Next up is also a travel sized fragrance mist. This is the Bath and Body Works Strawberry Pound Cake, which is supposed to smell sweet. I am yet to open the seal. So I actually got in touch with Bath and Body Works Instagram account and they suggested to go for this because I was looking out for a sweet fragrance and this is what they suggested. Next up we have a room spray. It is their Winter Candy Apple Room Spray. Ever since I got married, I am totally into fresh smelling room candles and deodorizers for the room. And it smells like sweet apples. I really like this. So I got another variant in room spray. It is the cinnamon caramel swirl. Bath and Body Works has such amazing flavors. Next up, I got a shower gel. This is their vanilla bean Noel shower gel. I'm yet to smell this. I'm not really able to smell this because it is sealed, but I will surely let you all know on my Instagram how I like them. Then the next product is also a shower gel. I got it for my husband. This is the Noir Men's Collection Bath and Body Works 2-in-1 hair and body wash. Then the next product is the Strawberry Pound Cake variant. It is the scented candle, and I can smell this. It legit smells like very yummy strawberry cake. I mean, I really want to eat this. Coming to the next package, I think I will go with H&M. I wanted to join a gym since so long. Ever since I got married, I wanted to join the gym which is below my building. शादी के पहले I used to come to the same gym. Even if my house is like just 10 minutes away from here, I had to come from an auto rickshaw, and like I used to get very lazy to come here. So like I made it a point कि शादी के बाद तो I'll go क्योंकि यहाँ पे नीचे ही है वो. But then lockdown happened and all the restrictions, I couldn't really join. So I'm planning to go next month say because they have opened. So I just shopped a few sportswear. So I got sportswear from H&M. Let's go through them one by one. So I got 3 t-shirts. Like they are the same types, just in different colors. So one is this black wala t-shirt. Then this is like a pastel green. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Mint? नहीं, पता नहीं. Light, very light green. And then a basic white t-shirt. I'm not doing a try-on haul, but I will definitely be posting all the pictures whenever I wear these. So follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Then I got like 2 sports bras. It was like a pack of 2. These are not padded, but these are like very comfortable. But मैंने इसको try किया and it does like show. So I think this is perfect in a black top or any dark top, but white top में it does show. Then I got these amazingly fitting gym pants. This is like basic black. The उसका ये जो waist है, it's very unique and it fits so perfectly on the waist. Another one in this print, it's like marble print and it has a gradient from grey to white. अभी sports का ही start किया है तो let me also show you my sports shoes. These are extremely affordable. Not actually, ये sale पे था. This is from HRX, जो ऋतिक रोशन का brand है. I got it from Myntra. So these are the sports shoes that I got. So this is for I think 4,000 something, but I got it for 800. Isn't it cool? And it fits so perfectly. Next up I got a duffel bag. Not particularly for the gym, but I also like go out for night outs. Like me and my husband, we go out and then we go for stayovers at my brother-in-law's place and friend's place. So I just thought maybe I need a duffel bag and I don't really like carrying a backpack. So I got this and ये अभी तक मैंने खोला नहीं है. Like I was not even going to film this because I was waiting for this since a very long time. There's also another package that I haven't yet received जो इस वीडियो में नहीं है. So I was just about to start filming and this arrived. So I thought I will unbox this in this video itself. I'm just checking if my address तो नहीं है इसमें. I found a very cute duffel bag on Myntra and I had to buy it. Look at that beauty. Can you see the shine? Like look at that. Wow. Why do I feel इसके handles लंबे नहीं हैं? यार मुझे इसे हाथ में लेके नहीं जाना है. But it's very cute. I think I'll still use it. Next क्या ले? Let's see footwear. I got 2 footwears from the Kai store. Kai store में mostly सारे flats ही है. I got this black one. This is very pretty. Like ये ankles पे ऐसे turn होता है. It sits like this. एंड देन यहाँ पे फ्रंट में कोल्हापुरी चप्पल में कैसे होता है ये टो का थिंग वैसा है. अनदर फ्लैट ये एक है और इसका जो स्ट्राइप्स है इट्स होलोग्राफिक एंड इट लुक्स वेरी क्यूट. नेक्स्ट लेट्स जंप टू ज़ारा. आइकिया का एंड में लेते क्योंकि वो थोड़ा बड़ा बॉक्स है. I totally forgot showing you another dress that I got from H&M. So this I actually got for my birthday. It's like suit, play suit. इसको क्या बोलते हैं मुझे याद नहीं है. It's like a suit, लेकिन it's a play suit, and it's very cute. It has these buttons in the front and a belt. These buttons in the front, and then there's this belt. I will put up a picture on my Instagram. You will see all these stories on my birthday, so you will get to see this dress as well. Next, let's move to Zara. So this is an orange dress. I actually got this for a shoot, and उनके website पे already like they had a very good sale. So I got this plain orange knitted short dress. It's an A-line dress and it looks very cute. And then I saw a very pretty satin skirt with a slit on the front. I really loved it. It has a slit like this in the front. Then I got this very affordable mini skirt. It's like very light pastel blue color. Now that I'm done showing you all the packages except IKEA. Now IKEA का box काफी बड़ा है. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know इसके साथ क्या हुआ था. So actually when I opened this box, there was a cockroach in it, and मैंने उसको बंद करके फिर मैंने उसको रख दिया, and I had no guts to open it. So I was waiting for my husband to come back home after his work. तो इसको फिर घर के बाहर जाके उसने पूरा निकाल दिया सामान. There were 2 cockroaches in this box. Then वो मैंने बॉक्स को खाली करके वापस लाके सारा जो सामान है उसमें वापस मैंने रख दिया. So here is the box, and I'm hoping इसमें एक और नहीं निकले कॉकरोच. So IKEA से I got all this stuff for my photos, just to use it on my table, to arrange my table, and all of that stuff. I need like white color ka bed sheets and white color ka like just throw in the pictures for my website, and also as a background in my photos and videos jo bhi I click. So I just saw like very affordable throws and sheets and all of that stuff. So I thought it's a great time to shop. वहाँ पे भी sale था. So why not? So the very first thing I got is this set of 3 artificial planters. I got this to keep it on my work table. You will definitely be seeing how I arrange my work table on my Instagram. So yeah. Then I got this lid wala box, just to keep all the random stuff जो मेरी table पे है. Like I have my headphones, earphones, then और क्या है? Like all the minute stuff in this, like even the memory card, camera, वो सब. So it just looks a little neat. Next I got this magazine and folders का क्या बोलते हैं, shelf? नहीं. What is this called? This is called magazine file is what they have written. I actually got this to keep my books, like the books that I read and my gratitude book, the books that I use to write all my schedule, all my scripts. वो सब I can keep it in this क्योंकि they are just like lying there on my table and it looks very untidy. I wanted to get something like this since so long. Next I actually had no plans on getting this. It's a laundry bag, like not a laundry bag, like you keep all your used clothes in this and then you throw it in your washing machine. It saves your clothes from getting damaged in the washing machine. Let me open this up. So ऐसे net है यहाँ पे ऊपर, and inside you can just throw your clothes and then put it in your washing machine. So एक pack में there are like 2 colors, one is black and one is white. Next is a throw. ये मैंने ये सारे बिल्कुल भी नहीं खोले हुए हैं. This is for 209 rupees. Lekin I got it for 149 rupees. It was on sale. So let me open this up. So it is like this, and it is a very soft material. I think you can also use it like a chadar. It's very soft. I want to sleep in this now. Then the next throw is not that affordable. This is for 1188 rupees, and ये sale पे नहीं था, but I really loved इसका texture. It's like a knitted cloth. इसका texture. It's like a knitted cloth. Let's open this up. I should have gotten a scissor or something. I'll open this later. Next is also a throw, and this is for what, 300 rupees, but I got it for 149, same price. इसको खोलते हैं. This is so pretty. यार ये तो ठंड में लेके जा सकते हैं. This is so soft. I think हाँ, IKEA का बॉक्स अब खाली हो चुका है, but I really want to open this and show you guys. Finally opened it up. You need to see इसका texture. Like let me just show it to you. इसका texture. This is so damn soft and so cute. This one is like a proper throw, like इसको sofa पे you can put, or like just on the side of your bed. It is going to look really nice. I think I am done with showing you everything that I got in the last 2 weeks. Actually उसके पहले भी I shopped a lot, लेकिन I already opened it and used it, and you have seen everything in my stories, Instagram stories. तो ठीक है, next time I'll make sure that I keep everything. In case you want to see, let me know in the comments. Also I was expecting one package from Prop Shop 24. I got some really cute stationery, like you know, books and planners and notepads to keep on my table, because I really like to jot down my schedule and everything, and I just had like 2 books and it was so confusing, like कौन से पेज पे क्या है. So I thought maybe I should just go ahead and get like separate books for them, like planners and notebooks. So that's what I've done, and it's been, I think, more than 2 weeks. The product is not even shipped yet, and like they are really taking a very long time, and they are like, I can expect it in the next 2 weeks. So I didn't want to wait. I wanted to open all of this and start using it. So whenever I receive that package, I will make sure I show it to you in my stories. Let me know in the comments whatever you have loved in this haul. Also let me know what should I film next. See you all very soon. Bye guys.